Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you this beautiful rose earrings pattern. I will make this rose step by step, so don't skip this video. Making this rose is very easy, and for this rose and for these earrings we need this thread G114 number, and we need for one earring 2 thread, and for 2 earrings 4 thread is needed. And we need also 1 mm crochet hook, 1 scissors, and 1 needle. And for decorating purpose we need 1 half beads, 1 stone chain, 2 jump rings, 1 big and 1 small, and 1 fishing hook, 1 piler, and 1 gum. So let's start with 60 chain. We have to make first 60 foundation chain, a 60 chain. This is my chain 1, and like this we have to need more 59 chains. So we'll crochet 59 chains more. My 60 chain is done, and I will go to the next step. Skip 3 chains, and in the fourth number of chains I will do a double crochet in the fourth chain. I will do double crochet. After doing double crochet I will chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then again I will do double crochet in the same chain space. Again I will do the same step, double crochet into the fourth chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, double crochet into the fourth chain, and chain 4 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, then again double crochet into the same chain space. I will do the same pattern till the last. My second step is done. Now I am going to the third step. Third step is also very easy. In the fourth chain space I will do the 10 double crochet in each fourth chain space. Turn your work for the next step. For the next step, and then make a 10 double crochet into this space, this chain 4 space. This is my first double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one, 10. And then make a single crochet into the next this little space. Again I will make the same pattern, 10 double crochet and then single crochet, 10 double crochet and then single crochet. Follow this until you reach the end of this. Again I am making 10 double crochet in this 4 chain space, and then after this I will make a single crochet into the little chain space, little space. This is my medium rows. If you want to bigger rows, then you can add more chains, and if you want smaller rows, then you can reduce the chain numbers.
Do this step until the end of this row. My all the steps are done. Now I am going to coil up this because I will use this yarn later after coiling up. Cut the yarn little bit bigger and then put it into the needle. My upper part rows is done. Now I am going to make the tassel, the lower part. I am taking a little cardboard, and wrap this thread 20 times. My tassel is done. Now I am going to attach all the parts together. Attach this rows with the fishing hook with a smaller jump ring. I use the bigger one for the tassel. My earring is done. Hope you like it. If you like this video, then please like it, comment it and share it with your friends, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.